To connect AirPods to your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is fairly simple. What you're going to do is simply just navigate to the settings app on your watch, and then you're going to go ahead and select connections. Under connections, you're going to tap on Bluetooth and ensure that this feature is currently enabled. From here, go ahead and put your AirPods in pairing mode, whether it's function at the front of the case. So go ahead and just enter pairing mode. And once you're in pairing mode, you can now be able to see it appearing in the list of available devices. If it doesn't, simply select scan and then wait for it to appear. Once it's appeared, go ahead and select it and then confirm that you wish to pair. And by doing so, you'll now be able to use your AirPods to listen to any audio coming from your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.